I'm saying is, if they don't want us to eat the soap, then why make it look like ice cream?
Huh? What's that? Huh?
Are you okay? Did you eat the decorative soaps too?
No, I lost my sled.
I got it!
Thank you. Yeah, how did you know it was there?
I have this cool thing where numbers and stuff float around my head when I'm thinking, and the answer literally hits me in the head. You guys see them too, right?
How impressive. Inspector Flipper strikes again. Don't say that. He might actually...
Too late.
Call me Inspector Flipper. Welcome, everyone, to the opening of my detective agency. I'll introduce the team. Atlas is my right hand. The Sherlock to my Watson.
Don't you mean the other way around?
Let's save questions until the end, please. Atlas will interview suspects and basically do all the grunt and menial work I don't want to do.
Wait, what?
No interruptions! Next, Snothia. She's our psychic counsel in matters of aura and the supernatural. Finally, we have our lead forensic investigator, Eureka. She will collect evidence and do all the sciencey stuff none of us know how to do.
Thanks, Springer. I've already created a DNA and flipper print scanner to assist.
And it works well as a code rack, which is how I shall be using it.
Springer's room. Inspector Flipper's office. Understood. We've got a case.
What do we got?
A man, sir. A snowman.
This job never gets easier. Has the family been informed? How are you all doing?
Do you think you can find who did it?
My senses tingle when crime is afoot. I never miss a thing. No matter how much evil might try to slip past me, my grip on justice is unwavering. I'm the best hope you have, kid, and I promise you, there's no one more observant than me. Is someone cooking?
Huh?
Please tell me you've got something.
Afraid not. There's nothing more we can get from the scene. Sorry, boss.
That it seems the case has gone cold. Ice cold. Also, the investigation has hit a dead end.
Plus, Golden Gulls is on in 30 minutes. You never miss it. You tried your best, Springer. Does this mole look irregular to you? I think it's from being in the sun too much.
Aw, I meant chocolate melted.
No, you cannot fly down from the tree, Springer. We are flightless birds.
That's it!
Huh?
I solved it! I solved it!
So, who did it?
It was me. I'm the detective, the judge, the jury, and executioner. You may recall that my head floaters led me to find the sled up in that tree. And the only way to get it down was by cutting one of the branches. Unfortunately, it was that branch that was shielding the snowman from the heat radiating from that streetlight. So yes, it was me, the guilty party. Take me away.
Springer, you are incredible. It's not your fault. Yeah, you have a real talent.
Huh. I guess you're right. Case closed.
Looks like you're needed once more, Inspector Flip.
Golden Gulls is on.